Hello ladies, gentlemen, brothers, sisters and friends near and far. Welcome to the Offshore Fishing Channel, a place to record stormy fishing trips. Full catches of fish and the journey of fishermen to make a living in the vast ocean. Let's join together to fully experience the true and powerful beauty of life at the forefront of the wind and waves.
In the midst of the brilliant dawn on the sea, the strong fishermen cheered together, using all their strength to pull the heavy net onto the boat. Each silver fish danced under the morning sunlight. The full net was like a generous gift from the ocean, after a long night of drifting on the waves. Under the early morning sunlight, skillful fishermen worked together with the steel arms of modern machinery to slowly pull a giant net full of fish out of the water. Thousands of fish wriggle and sparkle in the light, creating a lively and vibrant scene. If you love the mysterious beauty of the ocean and the amazing sea creatures, subscribe to our channel today. We bring you videos exploring the world of seafood and fish under the sea, from exotic species to breathtaking ocean moments. Under the bright morning sunlight, the fishermen joined forces to pull up a heavy net bag, the fish inside thrashing violently as if trying to escape. When the net was lifted out of the water and dumped into the boat's hold, hundreds of fresh fish were jumping around. Heavy nets were pulled up in the brilliant dawn. Hundreds of fish thrashed violently, silver scales glistening in the sunlight, creating a lively and vibrant scene. The sound of fish splashing echoed endlessly, mixed with the excited cheers of the fishermen. Amidst the bustling atmosphere on the beach, fishermen coordinate rhythmically, using giant nets combined with powerful tractors to bring each giant catch to shore. Tons of silver fish swam in the water. Amidst the murmuring sound of waves and the bright sunlight on the sea surface, fishermen control the giant tractor, coordinating rhythmically with the large net, scooping up batches of silver white fish that are struggling violently in the net. Tons of fish are brought straight from the bottom of the sea onto the boat, pouring into the hold like a waterfall. Under the bright sunlight at sea, each net was pulled up, heavy with fish. Then suddenly, tons of fresh fish poured into the boat like a waterfall, creating a lively and eye-catching scene. Under the early morning sunlight, tons of fresh fish are scooped up from the sea by fishermen using giant nets. Each heavy batch is lifted onto the boat's hold by crane amid cheers. Under the bright sunlight on the sea, tons of fresh fish splashed and splashed, skillfully lifted out of the water by fishermen using a giant net. In the blink of an eye, the whole batch of sparkling silver fish was lifted by cranes straight into the ship's storage compartment. Tons of silvery fish glistened like a living stream as fishermen poured them into the boat's hold, making the ship feel heavy with the fruits of their labor after a fruitful voyage. A group of Japanese fishermen work on a boat where each diligent tug of the fishing line brings a thrill. With great skill, they pull fish one by one, each tug a spectacular performance, filling the boat with more and more fresh fish. If you love the mysterious beauty of the ocean and the amazing sea creatures, subscribe to our channel today. We bring you videos exploring the world of seafood and fish under the sea, from exotic species to breathtaking ocean moments. In the midst of the crystal-clear blue water, diligent fishermen are casting their nets with skillful hands. Each net flies up, dives into the air, and gently falls back to the water surface, covering a large area. On a small boat, amid the gentle waves, a group of fishermen diligently work together to sort the fish they have just caught. The morning sunlight shines on the sparkling scales of the fish, and familiar hands quickly separate the fish into groups. On the large boat gliding gently on the sea surface, the fishermen are enthusiastically casting nets, the waves gently lapping against the boat, creating a lively space. The giant nets are pulled up, tightly rolling up fresh fish. Tons of fresh fish are harvested from the deep sea. Tons of fresh fish, sparkling silver in the sunlight, were skillfully poured onto the boat by fishermen, filling the hold like an ocean treasure. The smell of the ocean mixed with the salty taste of the fish that had just been caught, creating a vivid, vibrant picture. A giant fishing net with a strong and durable design was working tirelessly under the bright morning light. Those giant nets dived deep into the water, pulling tons of fresh fish, then slowly lifted them up, bringing them to the deck of the boat with incredible strength. Under the dim light of the hanging lamps on the boats, fishermen steadily pull large nets, blending into the quiet night of the ocean. The waves gently lap against the sides of the boats, while at the bottom of the nets, tons of fresh fish are being harvested, sparkling silver like pearls. Out on the vast ocean, under the light of the morning sun, muscular fishermen pull heavy nets filled with fresh fish onto their boats. The full nets are dumped into the storage compartment of the large boat, where they will be carefully the long journey. Under the warm morning light, the fishermen struggled to lift each shrimp trap onto the big boat. Sweat rolled down their foreheads, but no one was discouraged. On a small boat, under the dim light of dawn, diligent fishermen are sorting their newly caught fish. They carefully arrange each fish, from the pretty little ones to the big ones, on a wooden floor covered with sea salt. If you love the mysterious beauty of the ocean and the amazing sea creatures, subscribe to our channel today. We bring you videos exploring the world of seafood and fish under the sea, from exotic species to breathtaking ocean moments. The fresh fish are neatly and carefully arranged in the storage compartment, like a vivid picture of meticulousness and professionalism. Each fish is neatly arranged, fresh, scales sparkling under the light, ensuring not only to maintain freshness, but also to increase attractiveness.
Thank you everyone for joining us on our trip today. If you love life at sea, thrilling fishing and the wild beauty of the ocean, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next journeys. See you all in the next video. where the ocean continues to tell us magical stories.